Online learning, free courses.
Hey guys, so in this short video we're going to be talking about the value ladder off of Fiverr and some ways that you can implement them inside of your own business, and I highly recommend it because it's just absolutely going to change the way that you do business. Now, let me give you some examples before we go into too many tips and things like that here. So what you see in front of you is actually Amy Porterfield's website, and I love her. She gives so many great and valuable tips when it comes to building your business, your sales funnels, your value ladders, all that good stuff. What I'm showing you here is actually a lot of her freebies. These are 3 of her most popular freebies that she gives away, her Amy's cheat sheets as she calls them. And obviously you can see here that she has, these are very strategic, and that's why I'm showing you this right now, because this is a very strategic way to begin giving those freebie offers to certain kinds of people to get them into your funnels. Now, why I'm showing this is because see how she has these broken down, like 20 smart strategies to rapidly grow your email list. So she's looking for people that want to grow their email list. Here you have 5 ways to know if you're ready to profit from an online course. So people that are thinking about creating online courses, right? And then here you have how to choose the perfect and most profitable webinar topic. So people that are thinking about creating webinars. I love that. It's so smart that she's not just creating freebies on anything, right? And it's not just a slightly related topic. These are topics that are highly laser targeted to the courses that she teaches. These are, I know for a fact that she has 3 main courses that she offers throughout her value ladder, and they have to do with email marketing, building your products, your online courses, and then of course having your webinar. And you can, have 5-6 figure webinars. And I think her product is a 5-figure webinars for this particular product. So again, let's just click into one of these real quick. So again, now we are prompted to be able to download this freebie from her, and all we have to do is enter our name and our email, and we're on her list, and we can download that freebie, that specific freebie that's going to touch on what we are looking, or what we are most interested in at this moment, right? So I think that's so smart. You don't have to, I know a lot of bloggers out there, if you're a blogger, I know a ton of you seem to have this mentality of, oh, I got to create new freebies all the time, or like once a week or once a month. That's way too much, because at the end of the day, who are you really there to serve? And what is your message? If you're only there to help them grow their business through a blog, like you're helping people get started blogging, then why don't you create one great freebie that will be like a blogger's checklist or something like that. Something that's getting them going in the right direction, and that is allowing people to opt into your list. It's giving them the highly targeted information that they came to you for. It's not getting them all confused in these other topics, right? You're keeping them laser focused, which is super duper crucial nowadays if you're hoping to convert people. You've got to keep them laser targeted and laser focused. Because if it's not relevant and they feel like you're talking about a bunch of different things, they're going to get confused and they're just not going to end up buying from you. So even when it comes to that freebie offer, make sure it pertains to whatever the course is and whatever the paid products that you're going to be offering them. Make sure it has to do very highly with that. It's very relevant. So I just wanted to show you that as a really great freebie strategy is make sure they're super targeted, and you don't need a dozen of them. You just need 1, maybe 3 max, right? And this is enough to build you a 6, 7, 8-figure business. I know that Amy Porterfield has a 6-figure business at least, if not 7 or 8. So she just has these 3 freebies that she focuses on and bases everything else off of. And that makes it so much easier for her when she's promoting, because these are the things that she's giving people to download for free to get onto her list. And then from there, she promotes her paid products from these things. So that's Amy Porterfield and her freebie offers. This is Maria Cause, and I'm just going to quickly show you her, what she's offering here is how to find your niche. So people that are just getting started online, they're not sure where they should begin. Let's click to learn more about the masterclass. And looks like she has a little bit of a sales page here for this course, which is good. Oh, so yeah, she didn't even have us, she give us any kind of freebie or anything. She just said, here's our course for $50. Go ahead and buy it now, and they offer a 7-day refund. So that is her front end offer. So again, even $49 can be a front end offer. That's not too much. Now, personally, I like to go a different route. I wanted to show you her because she just offers her products like right off the bat. Like you're just able to buy, and they usually start at like $50 or $97, something like that. Now, for a lot of people, like the more marketing experts who are out there and they're speaking from stage, or you could almost call them gurus, if you will. A lot of them like to use books as their front end offer, or audiobooks. Lewis Hughes, he offers a book right now. He just came out with one. This is to sign up for his this is his new book, The Masculinity. And this is to sign up just for his website and get tips and stuff. So if we wanted to go ahead and let's go to his store, but you can sign up for his book right there. So this is his most recent offer. And then boom, you can either learn more or you can buy now. And I do know, let's see, learn more. Yes, he has a sample chapter that you can download, which is really cool, right? You can get to sample what the book is going to be about, and what his writing style's like, and what's in it for you. So that's pretty sweet. And then of course down here he has all of his upsells and things like that, which is cool too. So a book is a really great front end offer. Let's go here. Let's see what his book page looks like for a second. Oh, he just goes straight to Amazon. So that's cool. So here, this one. Yeah, Zach Miller. So he offers a book for free, and all that he asks is that you pay the $7.95 shipping so that we can send it to you as quickly as possible. And those books, and he's not the only one. Even Dean DeGrassi, he offers a book as well as the front end offer, and he offers it for $6.97, the shipping and handling. So that's all you have to pay is the shipping and handling. Everything else is free. And I can speak from experience that books are awesome front end offers. Like people just love like the idea of a free book, right? Like, ooh, something for free. Like that's a great sexy promotion to be able to say that you're getting something for free. And then that again, you can see that it's free because all that they have to pay is the shipping. So it's a free plus shipping offer. And that is so sexy. In fact, it's one of the sexiest offers when it comes to sales funnels and a value ladder. People just love the idea of free, right? You've all seen those late night TV commercials or as seen on TV products, and they almost all include a free plus shipping offer because people just love to be able to get something for free, even if they have to pull out their credit card for the shipping, because they feel like they're getting that extra value. So it really plays well psychologically, and it really does help conversions. So in fact, I know from experience that Zach here, he did not start off with a free plus shipping offer, and he struggled a little bit in the beginning, and then once he did that free plus shipping, like everything just took off for him. So a book offer is super sexy. The free plus shipping is even sexier. And yeah, if you can offer a free chapter to download, that's really cool as well. People will get to try out your book and see what it's like, how it reads, and feel if like your style matches their style. And that's really awesome as well. And then over here we have Marie Forleo, which her B school, and she only does enrollment once a year, but you can always be able to subscribe. So that way, she always has the ability to market to her prospects, and that's a really smart thing to do. So, and then she just has a little bit about that. So these are just a few really successful value ladders that I wanted to show you guys, and just give you some ideas, because all of these work well, right? These are all successful people. They all work well, and yet they all have kind of done their own thing, right? So go ahead and try out whatever you feel works best for you. If you think that starting your product out at like a $27 or $37 or $49 product is best for you, then go right ahead and copy what Maria did here. Or if you feel like if you already have a book, then go by all means, do the free plus shipping offer, and you can even relaunch your book. Create a new book cover and put up a new landing page for it, or redesign the landing page, and you have a whole new offer that you can relaunch to people if your first book promotion didn't go well for whatever reason. So there's a lot of different things that you can use for your front end offer right here. And of course we talked about Amy Porterfield's freebie offers, and the way that she does that very strategically, and that's the way that I would recommend it. That is how successful people use freebie offers. They're not just creating blog posts for no reason. They're not just creating worksheets for no reason. They have a very specific purpose to them, and it usually has to do with it usually incorporates some sort of call to action even within the freebie. So for example, I know I was on Amy Porterfield's list not too long back for her email list building, and basically what she was trying to prompt people to in that freebie was, hey, now that you have a little bit more information and where to get started, here's the best course to give you everything you need to build your list up to 1,000 people or 5,000 people or whatever it may be, right? So that is a really great way. Everything here should still be strategic leading into all of these products here. Obviously this freebie is going to lead into whatever your next offer is, and then this is going to lead into whatever the subsequent offer is, and so on and so forth. So let me just think quickly if there's anything else that I want to share with you guys when it comes to sales funnels, value ladders that are off of Fiverr. So the only other thing that I want to share with you guys, again, I just want to reiterate one more time, because I see a lot of people mess this up occasionally, and it can be a big mess up, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to sell people two of the same types of products, right? So if someone is buying a course on email marketing or how to market their business, let's say it's how to market your business on Facebook, you don't want to go ahead and sell them another product on how to market their business on Facebook here. Now, you could get around that by offering a beginner's course and then a more advanced course. That would work. But you don't want to offer them the same exact thing, because most of the time when people buy something, they're thinking, okay, this is it. This is going to solve my problem. I don't need any more of XYZ. I already know how to do that. On to the next problem. So that's how you want to be thinking as when you're building your offers. What is the next problem that they're going to encounter that I need to create a solution for? So that's how you want to set up your value ladder, and that's how you want to be marketing to your customers, because that's going to be the best way to get the most conversions. So that has been the value ladder in a nutshell, and I'm going to be making a whole entire course on this in just a couple weeks, so you guys can look forward to that. If this has intrigued you and you want to learn more about how you can build this out into your business and exactly how to do that from scratch, so look forward to that. With that being said, I think you guys have everything you need now to not only get started with your value ladder on Fiverr, but also now get started with your value ladder off of Fiverr and expanding your business. So with that being said, I hope you guys have found this helpful. Stick with me in the next video and we'll finish up this course right.